Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last time I posted a shopping vlog from Chanel sales, and if you've missed that video, I'm gonna link it up here and also in the description box. And today I'm finally revealing what I ended up buying, all of my scores from Chanel sales. I'm very excited. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then make sure to hit the red button down below. Also turn on the bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at bonjouraika. And with that said, let's get started. So frankly speaking, I was expecting a little bit more from Chanel sales because usually whenever I go, they have so many beautiful pieces, so many beautiful shoes and accessories and ready-to-wear pieces even. Although I'm not a Chanel ready-to-wear girl, I feel like ready-to-wear is just so overpriced in Chanel. That's my personal opinion, and I know if I want to sell it in the future, the price will be nowhere near what I would pay, you know, so it just doesn't make sense for me to buy Chanel ready-to-wear right now. So I usually stick to everything except ready-to-wear. And once again, every year I go, there is just way too many things that I want to buy. If you watch my previous Chanel sales videos, I buy quite a lot of things. This time it's just one bag. It's not even full. I got one pair of shoes and 3 accessory pieces that I thought were the most beautiful ones, and I'm actually glad the selection wasn't that good because I managed to save a lot of money, you know. I thought I would spend so much in Chanel sales, but it wasn't the case this year. Whereas I saw some stories of people posting Chanel sales from Dubai and then Moscow and London, and every selection is so different depending on the store and the location of the store. And I feel like London had the best selection. They had so many beautiful shoes and so many beautiful accessories. Oh, I wish I lived in London, but anyway, let's start opening some packages. So here is the smallest one. It's not in a box, it's just this paper wrapping. Okay, and let's open it. Can you see what it is? So this is the very first Chanel Twilly that I bought like ever in my life. This is my first Chanel Twilly, and I scored it on sale, and I think it's so beautiful and it matches the colors I'm wearing right now, white and blue. It has Chanel on this side in white, and then at the back it's just this beautiful Parisian buildings at nighttime with CC logos. I think they only had 2 or 3 available in sale, and this is the one I loved the most, and the price was really good. So the original retail price is 200, but I got it for 120. And you know, there is a lot of different ways I can use it. I can use it as a headband, I can use it on my wrist as a little scarf thingy, or I could use it on my neck as also an accessory. And lastly, I can put it on my bag on like a top handle. I think it's silk. It is very, very soft. And yes, that's number 1. Now we've got 2 more little boxes here. And costume jewelry, I was hoping they would have more earrings or necklaces. Last year I bought a long necklace, Chanel necklace, and then I got a choker, but this year they didn't have anything that pretty. Everything was just too much for me. It was too bulky, too huge. And earrings, they only had a few pairs of earrings, but I didn't really like them. Okay, so here's the first item, and it's this gorgeous brooch. I really love this brooch because it has everything. So half of 1C is full of pearls, then the other half is crystals, then dark gray pearls, and then the signature Chanel pattern. You know, it looks like the one you have on the Coco Rush, I think it's called, ring. And I thought this is so classic of Chanel, and this brooch is just so unique. It's so pretty. It has all the different Chanel signature features, and it's also a CC and I think it's so beautiful. The size is good, it's not too big, it's not too small. Oh, I think I was holding it upside down. I think this is how it's supposed to look, and I will film some mod shots. You'll be able to take a closer look at it, and I think it will go with all the jackets. It's so pretty. Now let's open this little box, the other one, and here we've got another beautiful brooch. This is so beautiful as well. It's again CC, but it looks like a chain, and it has these hearts and stars and just circles and little moons attached to it in pearls and crystals, and I thought it was really cute, and another, you know, very versatile piece similar to the other one that I got. It's so pretty as well, and both of them were 40% off. I can't remember the prices, but they were around 330 Swiss francs each, which I think is good. It's similar to what they used to be back in the day before all the crazy price increases. And lastly, I got myself a pair of shoes. I already opened them, that's why there is no camellia. The camellia is inside, but I still put everything back in, and I've decided not to bother with the ribbon because I know I would do a horrible job. But the shoes that I got are so cool, and they actually match perfectly the dress I'm wearing right now. So here they are. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I just realized that there is still a price sticker attached to them still, and I wore them outside. Oh my god, this is horrible. Let me remove it. So the original price was 630, which is a really good price for the sandals, and the pieces that were on sale this year were from 20B collection, I think 20A collection, so basically from last year. I paid 370 something Swiss francs for them, which I thought was such a steal, and I really love them. I really love that they are so summery and like beach appropriate because of the sole here. It's like the one they use for the espadrilles, and I really love the color and that it's all quilted over here with white CCs against this dark blue. It just stands out a lot, and it just looks like I'm going sailing on a yacht or something like that. I'm gonna show you how they looked together with this dress when I wore it outside last week. You know, I just couldn't wait. The weather was so nice, and then I put this dress on and I was thinking, oh, which shoes should I go for? And then I remembered that I bought this one, and I was like, oh my god, they're gonna be so perfect. So I know usually I wait until the unboxing and then I wear my stuff, but last weekend I just couldn't wait. I was so impatient. I wanted to wear them outside. So here they are, and I'm super happy with them. I have a lot of blue bags, and it will be very easy to style them in summer. I have other blue Chanel sandals, but one of them has a lot of chains in silver and it's light blue suede, so they're a bit difficult to style. Then I've got another pair in leather, but it's very classic with gold hardware. You know, they're very specific, I would say. And these ones I thought are very casual, easy to wear at the beach because of the sole. And this is everything I managed to score this year in Chanel sales. It's not too much, not too crazy, but I'm actually glad because I did some damage in Dior previously. So I was like, well, I'm not even sure if I'll buy anything from Chanel this year because it's been a lot of shopping lately. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you scored anything from Chanel sales this year, let me know what it is in the comments down below. You can send me DMs on Instagram, whatever you want, showing me pictures. I would love to chat with you guys. I would love to see what you scored. But thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.